Hello and welcome to Bolosign. Today in this video, we will learn more about app setting in Bolosign app. Click on account and scroll down. Here you can see the app setting which includes email branding, watermark and default format. Once you click on email branding, you can upload your logo. You can customize the theme and choose the color whichever you want and click on select. You can even change the language. For now I am choosing English and click on save. If you want to upload the watermark, just click here and upload your watermark. Click on crop and it will get selected. Then click on save. You can even preview. This is how it will be visible on the document which will be sent to the signee to sign. Then it comes to default format. Here you can choose the language of the PDF. For now I have chosen English and you can choose the format of the date and click on save. And that's it. This will help you customize your branding, secure your document with watermark and streamline your workflow with default formats, all in one place. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.